11, I'm pulling up there.
You kidding me? Don't throw blood on me. You kidding me?
Blood?
You kidding me?
There's no blood.
Where the fuck the rest of you? You're throwing blood on me.
There's no blood.
You're fucking.
On February 27th, 2025, officers are called about someone with a hunting knife walking on the streets, but the knife ends up being the least of their problems during this chaotic arrest.
11, I'm pulling up there.
Let it go. Let it go. I got her. Let go. Let go. All right.
Give her your hand. Yeah, okay.
So wet, that's why. Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Come on, put on the page.
Hey, you're reporting code 4. That female's detained. 10-4. Units respond until
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Oh, man.
We're good.
We got it.
Got it? Right there. There you go. You got it?
Yeah. Get up.
It's gonna kick you.
Jump all up. You got a knife on you?
No, I don't have a knife.
You got that.
I was just picking up garbage, man. All I was doing was picking up garbage.
Oh, wait, you need a rescue there.
Picking up garbage.
Force on the rescue.
I was just picking up garbage.
4, send the rescue.
10-3.
Yeah.
Picking up garbage.
You're at 1140 Cranston Street. Cranston, hold on.
I might stop that.
Hey, stop moving.
Ashley Jennings.
I was just picking up garbage. Fuck. Shit. Can't do civil duty? Just picking up garbage, man. Just picking up garbage. I don't have any weapons.
62 probably 4. Careful. Careful. Chill, yep.
Yeah, you did.
What?
When did you get out of the hospital?
What?
When did you get out of the hospital?
When did I get out of the hospital?
Yeah, you were in the
Yeah, I know. I got out of the hospital this morning.
Okay.
Yesterday, actually. I was at Merriam. I was picking up garbage. What do you knife? I never had a knife.
Fucking kidding me? Don't throw blood on me. You kidding me?
Blood?
You kidding me?
There's no blood.
Where the fuck the rest of you? You're throwing blood on me. You're
There's no
fucking.
blood.
You're fucking.
Blood.
Right in the back of the cruiser. Put it out of service. Disgusting. Get in the car. Get off. Come on.
Ow!
What's going on? Just leave it. Then. If she's not gonna, just leave her. Walk there. Stop moving.
Stop.
Oh.
Then stop trying to spit.
Let's get up.
Who's the owner of this thing?
Fucker! What the fuck is wrong with you? Stop!
Stop. There's blood on the body.
I don't even know if this one's fine. That's him on my back couch. Stop.
Stop, stop. It's done. Stop.
Stop.
Nope.
Stop. You're not going anywhere, so stop trying.
She should have a bracelet on. I think she just got out, right?
This morning, she said.
Yeah.
Lord, I'm not spitting anything.
Just
She's trying to bite you.
I didn't try to bite anyone.
You tried to bite me, that's why I
No,
put you on the
I
ground.
I didn't.
Stop
doing this
trying
to
to
me.
get up.
You're
Stop trying to
hurting
get
me.
up.
Why did you do this to me? I didn't do anything. They're framing me. They are framing me. I did nothing.
Well, actually, we got our rescue coming, alright? You gonna be alright with our rescue guys?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to figure something out then, alright?
Alright, I'll be good. Get off my head.
No, that's not how it works. Stop. You already tried to spit several times, you're not getting up again. Stop! Stop trying to get up.
Don't move.
Just
You're gonna go to the
relax.
hospital, okay?
What?
You're gonna go to the hospital.
I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't want to go to the
I'll
hospital.
take her across the street.
Yeah.
You go around the hospital.
I don't need to go to the hospital. I don't need the hospital. Ah! Elijah! Elijah! I don't need the hospital. I do not need the hospital. Hello, how are you? I do not need the fucking hospital. Hello, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
It's probably better that you get checked out. You
For
know, at
what?
least- Well, you're bleeding all over the
No,
place.
I'm not.
You are, though.
No, I'm
I
not.
hate
I'm
to-
fine.
You might be fine, but they're just going to check you out.
No, I'm not. I'm fine.
It'll be better to go with us.
What are you talking about? I don't want to go with no one. I'm fucking fine.
You can't be walking around.
I was picking up trash.
I know it is, but, the police aren't just going to, do this for no reason.
Yes, they would.
I'm just
They're
letting
doing
you
it for no reason.
We had to censor it.
Okay, alright.
You guys want to spit on it? Wait a minute, wait a minute. You have a regular mask?
Yeah.
You trying to put that on her then? Yeah.
Try that out.
Watch it. She might be loading up. Loading up.
Come on, dear.
Stop. Why? Don't make it more difficult, please.
Oh, you said you weren't spitting at us.
I'm not.
If you cooperate with us, you don't have to be on the ground like this. You just need to put a mask on.
Come on, dear.
All right? We have to do this. You just said you weren't spitting, you weren't trying to bite, and now you are. Just let us put this mask on.
I don't want a mask.
You're
We
going
don't
to try
want
to
you to
spit at
spit
us.
at us.
We have to keep ourselves safe. We're all trying to just be safe here.
I need to be safe.
We're trying to keep you
Call the
safe.
state police, or I'm not going nowhere.
They'll meet you at the hospital.
Stop.
We're trying to keep you safe.
She's trying to smack her down. That's how she got it the first time. Stop! Do it. Rip it right off. Careful, stay off by your chin. Stop! No, you stop. This is ridiculous. What the shit? You want a hawk?
Oh, she's spitting at people.
Alright, she's trying to do it on purpose. That's how she did it the first time.
Mike, did you try using verbal judo today? Maybe I'm not the pepper spray.
He's on the.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing this right now?
Yes, she spit on my boot. I got blood and you spit on my boot.
I would come all this kind of self-inflicted.
Yeah, these kids.
Yeah, we're some
kids
right now.
And we're giving them all a lot of shit.
Ken, are they?
We're trying to beat up Mike.
We're gonna be-
Yeah.
We're just gonna keep your face down for now for our safety. And then we're just gonna not put the belts too tight. Ready?
3, 1, 2.
Yeah, go over her hips. Is that this one?
Yeah. You come on with me.
Stop trying to bite. No. Stop trying to bite.
She got that look.
Welcome to the party.
Let's go to the hospital. Okay. I'll park your car. I'll follow and pick you up. Oh, is he in custody? Oh yeah, my computer. Who drinks? I was gonna come pick you up.
I think your boy would help you out.
Stop. Girl, you stop. This is ridiculous. What the shit?
I don't know what these are for, but
Yeah, I was on the call. It was nonsense. They're coming out. They have to now. Pack. We're still going. You got her shit? I don't think she's drunk. I think she's just really fucking 43 silly. Look at this. The sand and shit. Hey, what are you gonna do?
What you gotta do.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I don't know. I'll give a shit either way. I just don't want to get them all fucking like that. But he said they can't find anything to put on her head, so.
I mean, at the end of the day, like, your safety is paramount, right? Like, God knows what she has. She's biting. Look at it. She's trying to bite. She's crazy. Not nothing. We tried getting rid of her earlier.
Yeah.
And then I knew we were gonna get another call on her. So it was just a matter of time.
Did she have anything on her?
Nah, just this shit. You got an evidence bag or something? Yeah, I'll grab something in a minute. Where is it? I'll grab it. I got it.
I know her.
Yeah, alright.
She got a look.
Welcome to the party, Lopez.
Oh, is she in custody?
That's the fucking.
Hey. Oh, is she in custody? Oh, yeah, I'm like, see you later. I was gonna come pick you up.
I think your boy would help.
I got gloves on.
Yeah, she went down easy, man. Threw her hands right away.
Then what the
Bang.
how did she just like
And when
lose
she
her
got
mind?
over here, that's when she started acting all crazy and started smashing her head, I guess.
Oh, she started smashing her head on her own, and then she started spitting at you. Alright.
But she did the old into that.
That's how you gotta look. Dude, it's all over your camera.
Still there? I
Yeah,
wiped it off.
dude. Just don't even touch it. When you get to the station, douche the shit out of it.
And I'm soaked.
Yeah, you did good though. That was good. That was good. I'm glad if you were here, a female, it doesn't look as bad.
I just climbed right on top of it.
Yeah, you just rode it for a little bit. I like it.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, she bashed her fucking head in.
Why?
I mean,
Like you found her. What's she doing?
she was standing here. We came hotter. I was like, I thought she was over here.
I don't think she dumped anything. Yeah, I mean, they might. Maybe they. Are you still on?
I'm not blue.
I'm just recording. It doesn't matter anymore. But they might have heard of them coming through it. Some I don't know. But it was good though. You got right in there. You didn't have to do anything. I figured switch because why am I gonna get?
No, I agree. And there was nowhere for me to get in there unless you moved. So you had
Yeah, I had to do it. No blood, right? No blood on you.
I don't have saliva on my face, man.
No, I don't see any blood. Your body camera's upside down, bro.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
On my boot. She kept trying to bite me, so I was just digging her cheek into her teeth, so when she bit, it hurt.
How many times did she bang her head off the ground?
Honestly, I didn't see her because I was on top of her and I
Really?
was trying to get her in a handcuffs.
So that's just, she has like
That
the
was
black eye too,
self-inflicted.
and the...
So she already had the black eye
Oh, she
earlier.
did?
When they called out with the 3900 over here with the Rita bus.
Oh, that was that. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but then, like, we thought Buster was just like,
I wasn't listening. Stay listening, please.
see him.